Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the power of AI right inside Canva. So this step-by-step tutorial will show you how you can design with AI tools, eliminating the need for any prior graphic design knowledge. So let's just get started. First, you can just open Canva app or Canva on website like this, and you can just choose what you want to create. So for example, I'm going to create a YouTube thumbnail for my tutorial video. So you can just here click on the Canva AI on the homepage, or on the left side menu there also this Canva AI options, and you can just write the prompt in here. So here is the prompt from my YouTube thumbnail: gym or yoga background with a glowing AI text overlay, a called AI health video, and a faceless silhouette. You holding a dumbbell, so green and blue health theme. Bold text saying create health with videos with AI. Now click on the create image options, and for thumbnail you need to choose the 16 by 9 in here and choose the style. So I'm going to just go with the default option. Now hit on submit and just wait until the Canva AI show you the result. So as you guys can see, you have four options from here, and if you like one of them you can just click on this drop down, but if you want to edit it more you can just tap on edit. Let's go back to the Canva AI options. In here beside thumbnails you can also create other designs such as videos. You can write an outline for a review of a podcast series. You can generate image, code, design in here, a professional real estate listing ad, or you can also um, design a cover image for a travel vlog in Tokyo. So you can just choose based on the template, or you can also just what I did before, just write the prompt in here and tap on submit. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.